So where are we going, boys?
LaRonde.
Fuck yeah! So,
What?
how you doing?
Doing super good, and you?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Do you like the Subway?
I love Subway, it's delicious.
Eat fresh.
Eat fresh.
That's a big ball.
Look at yours, Sammy.
No, that's not my ball, unfortunately.
And we finally got in. Where are the toilets now?
Toilets.
Toilets.
Let's find them.
Let's find a toilet. I found a toilet. Woo! So where are we going?
Toilets, and then we're gonna
Vampire.
go to the vampire.
Where's the vampire?
It's
This
the
way,
it's
this
the other way
way.
around.
What's the vampire?
It's
It's a roller coaster.
You got your
Woohoo!
legs in the air, and you're like stuck right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it turns around and stuff. It's fun.
Yay.
It's a roller coaster.
And I guess we're not gonna do that one, right, guys?
No, we are.
Shit.
It's like
Why are we here?
This is gonna be a bad day.
It's gonna be awful. Hey, look, I found your mom.
Hi.
Hey guys, let's do that one. Like, that one looks fun, right?
right.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So, if this is my last vlog, I wanna tell my mom that I love her.
Fucking pussy.
Tell Luca to stop playing on my freaking computer.
And didn't hear a thing. It's too fucking loud.
Oh, I was filming this whole time. I was filming this whole time.
Awesome.
Yeah, okay. This is a good one. This is gonna be fun. Yeah. At least we're not gonna die here. Hey, we're gonna spin.
It's gonna
Fuck
be
yeah.
awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. Holy shit, this one's high. Well, I legit kind of want to puke.
It was so small. Come on.
It wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't that bad, but it's still.
I think that I was high.
the goal is like to have nothing else to do before like 12 o'clock, and then we just do everything again.
It's almost 12 o'clock. Are you happy? Can we go home now?
Yeah, 9 hours left. Come on, Christian. Come on.
It's been an hour since we're here.
You're talking.
I'm not talking.
Yeah. Okay. So we're doing the wooden one.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, it is.
There's 2 tracks.
I look so small next to you.
Cause you're lower than me. That's why.
Yeah,
There you go.
see, I'm not that small.
Yeah.
So if I did that to taponyers, pumping cars.
Yummy.
You want a fry? Say, do you want the fry? No? No? No fry? Okay, well, I'm gonna eat the fry.
This is this dude just there, eating. We're waiting for him.
Yes, we are.
What you doing with my phone?
Someone
Film
needs
on
to
the face.
film in it to be quality, dude.
Quality content.
Why are you filming those people? They're lame.
Guys, why am I risking my life for YouTube views?
Because it's fun. We're having fun, right? Right? Yeah.
So we just did the Goliath, and I really feel like puking. I'm not even kidding. That pizza was probably not a good idea.
It was good
You
though.
should have waited.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm taking a break. I only wish I had a GoPro so I could film during. Stupid music is too loud. So I could film during the rides, because otherwise it just seems like we're not doing anything. But we're doing everything, and that's the problem.
Yeah, we do it pretty fast too, so there's not that many people, so as soon as we finish something, we get in something else.
Now let's buy the
Go
picture.
check the picture.
Yeah, let's buy
go
the
check
picture.
the picture.
Dead.
I think this is the only ride where I can film in. Excited?
Yeah, it's gonna be the best ride ever, dude.
It's so epic. God has left us.
We've been waiting for 20 minutes.
for a kids ride.
Yeah, it's the longest wait we ever did.
That face.
Yeah.
Just like, anybody want some McDonald's? It's been 1 hour.
It's been so long. We're almost there. Look, we're going
I'm
to
still
Jamaica.
waiting.
Yeah, we're all tired. Is it like 40 minutes? I hope it's worth it.
Going on America! And I'm gonna be honest, we waited an hour, and it doesn't even look that bad, but the turns were awful.
My side hurts.
Everything hurts. My neck. Like we would go like, woo! Fuck! It was actually not bad, but still, we made it too long for what we got.
Yeah, but at this point in the day, like everything will be a long wait.
Actually, as long as I don't puke, I'm good. I just did a finger thing, huh? The 4 stages of a roller coaster.
Or a relationship. One like
Sammy, you're looking fine from the back.
Hello.
Oh yeah, work it. Woo! Oh. Yep, no way I'm doing that. So, yeah, we're going home now. It's 5 o'clock.
yeah.
I was
So
at 5
was a
o'clock.
good day. We're gonna go eat now.
Yeah, well, we're not gonna eat now here, obviously, because it costs like $50 for a meal.
We're gonna go this subway back home.
Yep. And so yeah, today we had fun. Thank you for the tickets.
Yeah, it was free.
Otherwise,
Awesome.
otherwise I wouldn't come.
From my aunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome gift. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and all, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.